Hey everyone, it's Hannah and welcome back to our adventures through Skyrim with Henry, our little Khajiit friend here. It's been a couple of days since I played, so I remember that we were on our way to Ivarstead and Hrothgar, and I think we completed this cave, Lost Nice Cave. Yeah, we went in there and we completed that, and we're just kind of moseying on our way to Ivarstead and stopping off at anything that looks interesting along the way. I can hear them mining or something in there. Should we go and check it out? Maybe it's not bandits. Where do we get in? Fort Amal. Here's a way in. Nothing's attacked us yet. Oops, some dead stormcloaks, so either bandits or Imperials have killed them. Yeah, it looks like the Imperials have taken it over. Oh, or maybe not. Who's this guy up here? He doesn't look like an Imperial.
Never should have come here.
Who are you? Fire mage? Maybe the Imperials and the Stormcloaks all killed each other and then bandits took over. This is quite like a cool wee lookout station. Wow. Something really bad happened to you. But I like the little steps down to this little lookout. I would like to have this in my house. It's quite a good view. Oh, up the step. Oh. I wonder if they're a baddie or not. So we can go inside. They are detected, but they're not attacking us. Well, these guys are Imperials. So, was that fire mage working for the Imperials? What the heck is going on here? Maybe we'll talk to one of the Imperials and see. She had some ingredients on her. Are they doing a ritual with the Stormcloaks? I bet you will find another tower with an ice mage on it, and then that'll be all the types of mages.
Not sure you belong here, citizen.
You aren't gonna tell me what's going on?
Stay sharp.
I can't help myself.
Puss!
Oh, I thought he would fall. Oh, he did fall. I knew that would make you attack me, but I'm not really fussed in killing you anyway.
I'll spare you.
You'll spare me? Maybe I'll spare you. Who's talking? So we had a fire mage and a storm mage. Do you think we'll find an ice mage? Wow, you've already been beheaded. I'll never say no to a bit of gold. No, just another Imperial up here.
If it's a fight you want, I'm ready this time.
This time? I don't think we fought before, but okay. Not really looking to kill anyone who doesn't start something themselves. Okay, and I can see like 3 doors. I'll take your arrows. This is the first door I can see. So that's the prison. Should we go in there first, or let's go in here first? I feel like the prison might have like a chest or something in it that we might get a key for in here. A mage.
What was that?
Another fire mage.
You can't hide from me.
Never should have come here. You think you stand a chance?
Yes actually. Oh, there you are. Seems to be just storm and fire mages.
You'll make a fine rug, cat.
It's not very nice of them to make race-based jokes. And I suppose if they're murderous mages, they're probably not nice to begin with. Okay, I feel like we had some things I wanted to disenchant. Oh yeah. Stuff's heavy. No, we'll use those. And we're using those. And if we're not using that, we should be using that. Should we disenchant one of these? Like, it's the same enchantment on these two. This one's slightly better. But that one's worth more. How does that work? That one looks cooler, so let's disenchant this one. And I don't want to disenchant that because I think it's a... Can we put any sort of enchantment on our axe? Have we any soul gems? I would like fire if we can. It's not the best, but it's something. And ingredients on an arcane enchanter is a bit odd. They're normally on the alchemy table, but catalog of armor enchantments. I think that's pretty self-explanatory anyway, so I'm not going to take that. What's up here? Oh, this is a dead end room. That was an easy one. I love when you get those easy. What quest do we have? Oh, I don't want to join the Imperial Legion, not yet anyway. Okay, upwards and onwards. Oh, this tells us all like the standing stones. What they all do. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. I don't think we really need that at the moment. Other cooking accessories. That probably tells about all the gods. I'm not really interested in that at the moment either. I was going to say for bandits they have quite a lot of alchemy ingredients, but they're not bandits, they're mages, so they would. Book about the Daedra. Again, it's got a wee paragraph just on each one. I'm gonna go back and look at this gods one. If you want to too, you can pause. Because I like when I'm editing the videos, I pause them and read them just for my own kind of understanding of the game, which I've been enjoying. So if you want to do that too, but if they're not quest related, I'm not going to read them out loud. I think that's all for in here, so there was no like chief or anything. Did we get this chest? Aha. That would have been silly of us if we'd have missed that. Okay, and we'll go and look and see what's in the prison now. I really have no idea what's going on here. It is odd, to say the least. I think it would be very nice to be put in that cage.
Is someone there?
No, the door just opened and closed by itself.
I knew it!
And again, fire and storm nature.
You're pathetic.
I feel pathetic now, am I? That's a cool looking potion bottle. That's the same. Because before that, I don't believe we flicked through. So I'm going to do that quickly again. Or maybe we did flick through it all. That's it. Anything interesting here? Okay, it literally is the prison, but there doesn't seem to be any prisoners. This is the way we went down, is it? Yeah, there's no other way out. Let's check our map. It doesn't say that it's cleared. There's no way that one of these rooms has like a tunnel or something, is there? It would have come up on like the map as like a grey area, wouldn't it? Did one of the towers have like a wee trap door or something that we missed? There's certainly nothing else in here. I hate this when you put like time into like really searching somewhere and then you can't clear it for some reason. Let's help you along, shall we? There we go. There was no door in here, was there? No. Right, we're going to do our level up and see if we can have enough to put into stamina. Oh my goodness, I have so many. Okay, what are we going to put our perks in? I think we'll put one into sneak. More hammers, great swords. or battle axes? We're gonna stick with axes, so let's do that one. I really am gutted I haven't finished this place for whatever reason. Do we have to kill everybody? Is this one remaining dude the problem? Oh, there's our fire enchantment working. What if that had killed us? No, I think we're gonna have to leave Fort Ammo. I don't know what way I came in, what way I meant to go out. Where did you come from? I didn't think I was actually even going to hit him there. We did go in here, didn't we? This was just into the main place. Very odd, but out we go. And I think we want to go east, don't we? Oh, no. We want to go this way to Ivarstead. So, what direction is that? South. Wait. Oh, I was going to say we're never getting over that mountain, but there's a path with a handy dandy little road sign. So let's check out, make sure we're going the quickest way. Ivarstead, yep. It's a pretty waterfall. I wonder if there's something behind it. Let's do a cave.
Someone do something.
Oh, are you attacking someone, Mr. Wolf, that you shouldn't be attacking? Who were you attacking? You're a weird color.
Are you finished ogling the grotesque? I suppose I should be grateful you didn't simply attack me.
Your skin. Are you ill?
I am one of the afflicted. I'd have been dead from this plague a year ago if not for Periite's protection.
Where are you going?
Returning to High Rock. Our shepherd lost his way, and I fear Periite's wrath may consume those who remain with him. Kesh could tell you more. I just want out of Skyrim as quickly as possible.
That is one of the weirder Deirdre quests, in my opinion. But I've never come across him walking around. That's never like led me to the quest before, so that's interesting. I always feel like you have to check a hollowed out log. This is a really pretty path. I feel like we're getting away. Did I hear a skeleton? Oh, it's maybe like a woodpecker or something. This cave was further away than I thought. Hopefully there's no bandits about. I was gonna say it's not even on this path. Where the heck is it? It's down here at the water. Oh, that looks dodgy to me. I'm not going anywhere near that. The last time we went through a path I was surprised, and just dark water doesn't sound good to me, so... Why do we have a quest marker? Did I not take my quests off? Oh, wrong button again. Oh, it gave us that. I don't want any quests on. I wonder if we can continue up this path and cut over the mountain. Would that be the quickest way to Ivarstead? Probably not. I'm probably getting us lost. Can you guys hear that like woodpeckery noise? sun is so bright. Poor Henry's getting exhausted walking up this hill. We may need to get him a horse at some point, so that we can get places faster and easier. Once we discover more places, we'll not have to do so much walking about because we'll be able to fast travel, but you have to walk there the first time. This is a pretty path. Look at this. Isn't it nice? Such a view. I'm following you, little mountain goat. Oh, what is this? Dark water pass, so that's where that cavey place would have brought us out, so I don't see it being any quicker than that if it was filled with scary creatures. I don't think this is taking us the right way to Ivarstead. I think we're somehow trapped at the top of a waterfall. Wow, that is far down. Should we risk it? I want a quick save and go for it. Oh my goodness, we just about lived. We're never gonna make another fall. Can we get out? Let's see if we've any... Well, can we use some magic? Not that we have a lot of magic, but I'll help a little bit. And then go back into our weapons. Okay, here we go again. Okay, this one hasn't been so much as a fall. Okay, we made that well. A cart? Oh no, someone else has gone over the fall. Can we get up and on this bridge? I would really like to get back on a main road. Looks like we've come across a mine, and we're probably a million miles away from where we need to be. I'm sorry if you can hear like a really weird noise, but it sounds like my neighbour's out sawing
I've been
wood.
looking for you. Got something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only. Let's see here. A letter. Not sure who from. He wouldn't say, just that he was a friend of yours.
Ah, a letter from the Jarl. Moving up in the world, eh?
Looks like that's it. Got to go.
Items added? We get 2 books. Yeah, we got a letter from the Jarl and a letter from the friend. Let's read this. Henry, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sidgeir, and I have the honour of being the Jarl of the proud and ancient city of Falkreath. The fame of your exploits across Skyrim, we haven't really done much, has brought you to my attention. If you are interested in becoming a Thane of Falkreath Hold, I invite you to speak to me the next time you're in Falkreath. Aside from the honour that access, does that say, to the title, my Thanes are entitled to a personal housecarl. I can also tell you privately that a choice parcel of land in Falkreath would be available for your purchase should your services prove useful to me. I look forward to meeting you in person. I remain Jarl Sidegear of Falkreath. Okay, that's one. We'll maybe do that if we're in the region of Falkreath ever. And a letter from a friend. Henry, you caused a bit of a stir in Fort Amel when you demonstrated the power of your Thum, killing that guard. Not everyone is anxious for the return of the Dragonborn. I for one desire to see you grow and develop your talents. Skyrim needs a true hero these days. You should turn your attention to Volgunthar. I understand it holds a mysterious source of power that can only be unlocked by a Dragonborn. Sincerely, a friend. So that is probably leading us to somewhere where has one of those word rolls where we can learn a new shout. Let's talk to people here and see what the crack is.
I try to think of it as coaxing the ore from the rock.
Have you been working in the mines long?
This mine is only a few years old, but I've been digging up ore for over a century. We're
Wow,
getting
he's
to the
old.
point where the tunnels are getting deep into the rock. People complain of bad coughs and foul air. I've seen this before. We need some medicines to combat the ore dust. I was about to send a message to Windhelm for aid.
I could deliver a message for you.
Thank you. Take it to Quintus in the White File.
We'll probably be going there eventually anyway. Darkwater Crossing, that must be the name of the mine. What can you tell me about Darkwater Crossing? Which was a Darkwater Pass that we just seen?
Those falls.
Oh.
Dangerous place. Derkeithus thought he could find some good fish in the pools. Haven't heard from him in a long while.
That was maybe his cart we seen floating in one of the pools. We were lucky we make it. Has the war affected you?
I'm lucky enough that none of my friends have been killed. Of course, we have soldiers coming through all the time. All right, then.
Hi, I've never seen you around here before. Are you a miner too? Saunders takes care of me when Mom's not around.
Well, that's nice. This is where they camp. That's the courier. And then that must be where the people who own the mine live. He didn't look very friendly. Right, I think we need to stop and take stock of... Well, I suppose we know where we go when we have our marker. And again, it has given us... Oh no, wrong button again. It's given us... I want to speak to the Jarl Falkreath. Oh my goodness, I feel like we're so off the path. Well, that's half the fun, isn't it? It is a nice area of Skyrim. Ah, a sign. There's our half an hour's up, but let's see if we can get on our way. Ugh, Ivarstead's this way. Wow, look at the moon. Right, well at least guys we're on the right road now. And hopefully next time we'll be able to make it to Ivarstead. Maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. So I'm going to leave you here with Henry. I keep forgetting Henry doesn't want to turn when he's on camera. And the next time we come back, we will hopefully further our travels and not kill ourselves jumping down any waterfalls. I hope you're all happy, I hope you're all healthy, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.